when something went terribly wrong.
This airplane just crashed at 23.
As thick black smoke poured from the plane, firefighters smothered the scene in foam. The right wing ripped off, the fuselage bearing what appeared to be skid or soot marks. Bombardier CRJ-900 regional jet made in Canada is a workhorse for short-haul flights worldwide. At the time of the crash, it was 18 degrees with 20 to 30 mile-per-hour winds and strong crosswinds. The question for investigators, how and why did the plane lose at least one, maybe both wings on landing, then flip over, causing jet fuel to spill onto the runway?
Sink rate 500. Sink rate 200. Don't sink. Don't sink. 400. Don't sink. 300. Don't sink. Don't sink. 200. Don't sink. 100. Don't sink.
50, 40,
Don't sink.
30, 20, 10.